Hello, starting off with IWM. Alright, so IWM broke the moving average of 20 downwards, and that is why it went down today, right? So I broke the moving average 20. I told everybody last video, any stock breaks the moving average of 20, it's going down. That's exactly what happened. IWM, super easy put. Broke the moving average of 20, has to reach the moving average of 40 100% of the time. So it went from like 178 to 177. It's pretty easy put because it always, once the stock breaks the moving average of 20, has to reach the moving average of 40. That was a pretty easy put. All right, let's check AMD. All right, so AMD, pretty much same exact thing, right? It broke the moving average of 20, had to reach a moving average of 40, so a super easy put right here. Now, only thing with AMD is that since it broke the moving average 20 and 40, and it looks like the moving average 20 and 40 are about to cross, if tomorrow it keeps going downwards and the moving average 20 and 40 cross, we're about to see a put up about 110, and it's going to be beautiful, right? Oh, incredible operation right here. All right. Next stock we're going to be analyzing is Amazon or Google. Alright, anyways, before we do Amazon, AMD also, as you can see, has a huge red candle right here, and it can very well reach, guess what, the middle point, 110, which is exactly what the moving average of 100 is, right? And when a stock breaks the moving average of 20 and 40, has to reach the next moving average, be that of 100 or 200. In this case, the moving average of 100. So 110 seems very likely, very, very, very likely for AMD to reach. All right, checking out Nvda. Nvda, same exact thing, moving 20 and 40, destroyed it downwards and had a huge candle downwards that could very well come to reach again. So about like 458. I'm saying 458 because like I'm on this side. So I'm saying 458 solely because it's where the moving average of 100 is going to be, since it's going upwards, right? So it's going to be like at 458, and this is where the middle line indicates, right, that the stock when going down is going to reach, right, 459 for 58. Huge put with Nvidia as well. I see, as long as it maintains itself under the moving average of 40, and hopefully it is for any of you guys that are going to buy puts. All right, let's check Aapl. All right, so Aapl just broke the moving average of 20, so this means that it's gonna go down to the moving average of 40. So tomorrow you can buy a put to like 188.90. It's pretty easy put. The middle line's at 180, so it's pretty simple. If it breaks the moving average of 40, then we're going down to huge puts in every single company. All right, SPY. Let's check out SPY. SPY, same exact thing. Low key broke it right here, but it's on the edge. So SPY just has to define itself. Is it gonna go a little bit more downwards and then have to reach the moving average of 40, which is a 3-point put? Absolutely incredible in a stock like SPY and an index like SPY. And so, but if it goes up, then it has to reach 454, right? So we have to see tomorrow how it opens SPY. All right, let's check Microsoft. All right, Microsoft. It's pretty good. It's in the middle between the moving average 20 and 40. If it breaks the moving average of 40 downwards, it's going to go down to 356. If it maintains itself over the moving average 20, it's just going to keep going up. It's pretty simple, right? And the middle line also indicates 357. All right, let's check out Google. All right, Google. I told you guys yesterday to buy it. Why? Because it broke the middle line, so it has to reach the edge, and it's been increasing, trying to reach the edge. As long as it maintains itself over the moving average 20, then it's the only stock that's going to keep going up, because it has to reach the edge, which is 138 as of currently right now. And that's just how it is. It has to reach the edge. 100% must reach the edge. Every stock can go down, and Google is just going to keep going up. All right, let's check Meta, Coin, Netflix. All right. Let's check Meta. Meta also going down to the moving average of 40. As you can see, it's like 334. And yes, um, and if it has a big enough red candle, like for example, if it breaks moving average of 40, then it has to reach moving average of 100, which is 318, and coincidentally, the middle line of the Bollinger Bands. All right, let's check Coin, Meta, Netflix. All right, just check Meta. Let's check Coin and Netflix now. So Coin, same exact thing. Broken moving average 20. Now it's gonna go down to moving average of 40, which is absolutely incredible for a put 97. So it's like a 5-point put. And of course, if it breaks it, it's gonna go down to the middle line, which is 88. All right, Coin done. Let's check. Coin, Meta, Netflix. Doing this off the top of my head. Netflix actually continues to be good. As long as it maintains itself over the moving average 20, it's probably going to be one of the only stocks that are going up. Like, aside, like, Netflix and Google are the only ones that are going to keep going up. Yeah. Yeah, so Netflix is going to keep going up. It's pretty good. It just keeps increasing. Has its own to 480. I see it incredibly well as long as it maintains itself over the moving average 20. If it doesn't, if it breaks, then you have to rethink your strategy because it's gonna go down to 463. All right, last stock, Microsoft. Did we check Microsoft? I will anyways. Microsoft, it's in the same situation as I think it was Coin or Meta. One of these stocks. All right, there we go. All right. So yeah, so Microsoft's in a situation very similar to another stock, which is it's in the middle, right? So it has to define itself. Is it gonna break the moving average of 40? If it does, it's gonna go down to 357 because it's the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, and it is where the moving average of 100 is in moving averages. And we all know that when a stock breaks the moving average 20 and 40, it always heads to the next moving average, be that of 100 or 200, whichever one is closest. And in this case, the closest one is about 100, and it's at 357. Coincidentally, this same exact zone of the middle line in Bollinger Bands. All right. So if Microsoft breaks this, then it's going to go down to 356. Pretty simple. But if Microsoft breaks the average 20 upwards, then it's just going to keep going up and up and up to like 377. All right. So the moves to do tomorrow. Amazon, I honestly see put downwards, right, till about 139, because as long as it maintains itself under the moving average of 40, that's where it's headed. All right. I see there, and Netflix, I see it to continue to go up as long as it maintains itself over the moving average of 20. And then, what was the other stock? Nvda, I see it downwards heavily. If it maintains itself under the moving average of 40, I could see itself very heavily go downwards, like 460 at 30-point put, say, with the AMD. And yeah, lastly, let's check Apple. Apple broke the moving average of 20 downwards, so it's probably going to go to 188. And thank you guys for everything. It was a wonderful time, and hope you guys learned. Thank you.